In this segment of the PowerPoint tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to reuse slides, insert slides from a previous presentation into a new presentation that we are working on. So let's say I have this presentation here, and now I want to go ahead and reuse slides. If I'm on the home screen, notice there is an option here for reuse slides, or if I'm on the Insert tab of the ribbon, I can click on Insert and choose Reuse Slides as well from here. So either one of those options will work. You click on Reuse Slides, and then we need to locate the PowerPoint that we want to reuse the slides from. Notice it's smart enough to detect what presentations I recently used. If I wanted to use one of those, I can click on Choose Content, or I can simply click here on the right-hand side and choose Browse, and then go and select one of those presentations. Once I select a presentation, I'm presented with the options with all the slides from that particular presentation. Here, I can select one or more slides by simply clicking on them. It's going to bring them over. Notice it added that one in here. And then if I want to add another slide to reuse it, click on it, and it will add it to my timeline here on the left-hand side. Notice it's bringing over the formatting and all the settings related to that particular presentation as it was on the original presentation. If you do not want to use the source formatting, if you scroll all the way to the top here, you can uncheck the Use Source Formatting, and it will bring the slides over based on the theme and the colors that you are using on your current presentation. Once you're done with importing the slides, you can close this panel on the right-hand side and then start modifying these further as needed. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.